Okay. Good morning to students. Today we are start unit number 2, lesson number 3, projection of straight lines. So in the previous session we want to complete it projection of points. So once you are familiar in projection of points, next projection of straight lines is very easy. So already in front of you we circulated some questions and theory part. So once you are studied the theory part and got the idea, then you will start the solve the problems. Now we want to take the problems of projection of straight lines. So here in lesson number 3 I have given 6 problems for you. Out of 6 problems I want to solve 1 or 2 or 3 problems. So first problem, draw the projection of a straight line 75 millimeter long parallel to both the HP and VP. So here the straight line is parallel to both HP and VP. So this is lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 and unit is 2. Unit number 2, nothing but projection of straight lines. So projection of straight lines. So first we want to read the problem. Number 1, draw the projection of a straight line. The straight line length 75 millimeter long, nothing but true length equal to 75 millimeter. So here the once the line is parallel to HP and parallel to VP, first you want to draw a line XY line. See here, this is the XY line. So already you know this is VP and this is HP. So once the line is parallel to HP and parallel to VP, so front view is parallel and top view is parallel, and 25 millimeter from each. From each means from HP 25 millimeter, from VP also 25 millimeter. That's why here first anywhere first you want to put the point from this point extend 25 above. So this is A dash. Extend 25 below, that is A. Why? Because above HP in front of VP, this gap is 25 and this gap also, this is also 25. So 25 and 25. Once this is parallel to HP and parallel to VP, front view is parallel. This is A dash. So this is total length is 75. So 75 parallel to XY. This is B dash. This is total length. Nothing but true length is 75. Similarly from A, draw straight line 75. Then join B dash and B. So this is B. So front view is parallel, top view is parallel. Why? Because both are equidistant from HP and from VP. So parallel to HP and parallel to VP. That's why front view A dash and B dash, this is thick line. A dash and B are thick line. AB, this is thick line. So front view is thick and top view thick. Both are parallel to XY. Next going to question number 2. Draw the projection of a 80 millimeter long line perpendicular to HP. Once the line is perpendicular to HP, front view gives the true shape. Why? Because once in front of the HP, we want to see the front view length is 80 millimeter, but the point position is 20 millimeter in front of VP and its one end is 50 millimeter above HP. That's why in the straight, suppose the straight line is AB, suppose one end is A, the end position is 20 millimeter in front of VP and 15 millimeter above HP. That's why first you want to take the XY line as usual. First this is the reference line. First the one put the one point here. The point is one end A is 15 millimeter above HP. That's why here you want to take 15 millimeter above. This is A dash. A dash. This gap is 15. So here you want to set it, this is 15 millimeter above HP, 20 millimeters in front of VP. So 20 millimeter in front of VP. So this is A, this gap is 20 millimeter in front of VP. But the line is perpendicular to HP plus the length is 80 mm. That's why from A dash you want to extend 80 millimeter length. This is B dash. So this length is called as true length and 80 millimeter length. So A dash and B dash, this is the front view, this is the front view, this is thick line. But whenever you want to see front view is a vertical line, top view is a point. So here this point is resembles top view B also. So top view AB is a point, front view is a line. Once line is perpendicular to HP, front view gives the true shape, but top view is a point. But whenever you want to go question number 3, this is perpendicular to VP. Perpendicular to VP, one end is in the VP 25 millimeter above HP. So that's why the same problem, this is 3. Whenever you want to go the problem 3, this is XY line. Here one end is in the VP. One end is in the VP means the top view, nothing but A, is on XY line. One end is in the VP, nothing but A is on XY line, and 25 millimeter above HP. So that's why 25 millimeter above HP. That's why this is A dash. This gap is 25. But the line is perpendicular to VP, length is 70. That's why you want to start, top view is 70. So already A is there. So that's why draw vertical from A, this is 70. So this is top view is vertical, this length is 70, but front view is a point. This is nothing but A dash and B dash. See, compare these two problems. In this second problem, front view is vertical, but here top view is vertical. Once front view is vertical, top view is a point. Once top view is a vertical, front view is a point. So in this way you want to do second and third problems, both are similar.